Kimberly,
Here, Ben,
Kimberly,
help you out.
open those up.
This one's technically
I couldn't tell by her face. She was laughing. I was like, okay, she's totally thought it was funny. Oh my god, honey.
I know, huh?
What the hell? What is that?
Wrap the heck out of that one.
It's like I can't even hear about it.
Finally.
Like a gift card.
Yeah, it's a gift card?
This one's for me.
Yeah, it is for you.
Who's that from?
You're kidding me!
Who's it from?
What is it?
Mom and Dad?
How
What
much?
What is it?
$26.
No,
in
what
my
is it?
pocket.
But what is it?
A gift card?
No, it's not. Read it. What does it say on it? What is it?
Yes!
Oh.
What is it?
A download card for Minecraft.
That's the game.
Yes!
Wait,
Hey, don't just throw it, man. You gotta
Wait,
lose
we
it.
gotta wait for you to do something like
hey,
that.
can you pick that up? And can you do it again for me?
We do
A
that.
reenactment.
Come on.
What is it, Chris? Read it.
A download card for Minecraft.
And then what are you supposed to do?
Are you excited? Pump your arms up in the air like you did a
Come
second ago.
on, so I can jump like my brother.